An Arctic Wolf Cherokee Limited by Forest River, fifth wheel. 33 feet. It says on the sign. Here's your storage area. Got the solid steps.
Yep. Right on.
Yep.
Got our pantry area.
Yeah, we always figured like we could leave it blank, but why not put it there? You know, like we could just leave it in open space, or we could.
Furion refrigerator.
Storage, so we figured.
End tables are nice.
One-piece sink.
Cooking with contour.
Dinette table and chairs. Oh, we're missing a TV.
It's in the bedroom of the bed.
Yeah, I know they come with them.
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
Sometimes they don't.
Really?
For what we get charged as a manufacturing body for TVs, it's ridiculous.
Really?
Because we don't keep them in stock. Like, we don't buy them bulk. We don't buy them from overseas. We buy
Are
them
most
from
of them 12 volt or are they 120s?
They're just standard.
Yeah. So if it goes bad, you can just replace it with a standard
So
one.
it'd almost be cheaper. You could sell the camper cheaper and tell the consumer they have to buy it and put it in.
Right. We get a decent enough deal, and some dealers just want it. But what do you guys have right now?
We have a 2004 Cougar.
Have you had it since you before?
No. We might be, I think maybe the second owner. Our next one's going to be our full-time unit.
I got you.
All right, up to the bathroom. We got the shower, which has a retractable screen for a door. We have our sink area with a medicine cabinet and a cabinet. And sorry, got the toilet. Yeah,
The seat is. It's got the swirl thing.
right.
But the seat's not
Yeah.
updated.
Well, it's for something that you might just use on weekends. It's sufficient.
That's a nice deep one there too.
And medicine cabinets like we have at home, size-wise. So
Yeah.
a little bit of storage under the sink.
Look at the blinds. They're straight.
You got a little bit of room beside the beds. Now your CPAP would fit on that.
Yeah, probably would.
And then there's a little cubby back in.
Yeah, there's a plug in there.
Not much for clothing except for this little,
Is that a closet?
yeah, a two-door closet area. Okay. This isn't too bad if we were wanting something occasionally to go out on weekends.
Yeah.
So,
Thanks.
thanks.